What if I told you that your body is just one small habit away from feeling lighter, cleaner, and more energetic? And it doesn't cost a fortune or involve a complicated routine. That glass of brown liquid in the thumbnail, it's not tea and it's not coffee. It's something far more powerful. Cloves water. And it just might be the health reset your body has been silently craving for years. Take a look at that thumbnail. On the left, we see a tired, bloated, slightly frustrated version of ourselves. Puffy face, tired eyes, hand resting on a sluggish belly. A feeling most of us are familiar with. Waking up not refreshed. Constantly feeling heavy. Struggling with low energy and mood. That version of you is tired of trying every new wellness fad. From expensive supplements to trendy detox teas. And yet, nothing seems to stick or feel sustainable. Now, look to the right. That's the you, after just 7 days of drinking cloves water every morning. The glow is back. The eyes are bright. The skin looks fresh and smooth. The posture is relaxed but confident. There's lightness. Not just in the body, but in the energy. It's like someone removed a heavy fog from inside your system. You feel clean, mentally focused, and physically energized. And the difference between these two versions of you? Just one small change. One warm glass of cloves water daily. Let's walk through what actually happens when you commit to this simple practice for a week. Day 1 begins with curiosity. You boil a few cloves in water or soak them overnight and sip the warm spicy liquid first thing in the morning. It doesn't taste bad. In fact, it has a calming aroma and feels like it's waking something up deep inside your body. There's a gentle warmth as it goes down. And even though nothing drastic happens immediately, you've just sent a powerful signal to your system. We're restarting fresh. By day 2 and 3, something surprising begins to happen. Your digestion starts improving. That usual, heavy, sluggish feeling after meals, gone. Bloating, which used to be a daily nuisance, starts fading away. Your stomach feels flatter. Your visits to the bathroom are smoother and more regular. You begin to realize that cloves water is gently flushing out toxins, reviving your gut health, and helping your body reset from the inside out. All without pills or powders. By day 5, you wake up and notice your energy feels different. It's not a caffeine buzz. It's not hyper or jittery. It's a steady, calm kind of energy. The kind that helps you get through your work, take care of your responsibilities, and still have mental clarity by late afternoon. Your mind isn't foggy. You don't crash after lunch. Even your sleep at night feels deeper and more refreshing. This is what happens when your blood sugar is stable, your metabolism is activated, and your internal inflammation begins to cool down. All thanks to cloves water. Now, by day 7, people might start asking, "You look different. What are you doing?" Because it shows. The skin begins to clear up. The puffiness, especially around the eyes and face, reduces noticeably. Your breath feels fresher. Even body odor becomes milder. A result of internal cleansing. You notice your clothes fit a little looser. Your face looks brighter in the mirror, but most importantly, you feel better. You feel in control. You feel renewed. And here's the magic. This transformation isn't from a major lifestyle overhaul. You didn't go on a restrictive diet. You didn't spend hours at the gym. You didn't take a dozen supplements or starve yourself. All you did was commit to one simple drink each morning. Cloves water. A habit so easy and affordable that anyone, anywhere, can start today. But let's go deeper. Why is cloves water so effective for everyday health problems we silently tolerate? Because cloves are nature's secret weapon. This tiny spice is packed with natural properties that help reduce inflammation, fight bacteria, support digestion, and balance blood sugar. When soaked or boiled, the cloves release their oils and nutrients into the water, making them easy for your body to absorb and put to work. And when you drink this on an empty stomach, it gets to work immediately, flushing your system and setting your body up for a better day. Think about all the annoying health issues we normalize. Bloating after meals, bad breath, fatigue by midday, dull skin, joint stiffness, sugar cravings, and brain fog. We assume they're just part of life, but they're not. These are all signs that your body is inflamed, your digestion is off, and your internal system is over. And that's exactly what cloves water helps, correct? Let's break down just some of the real-world benefits people experience with daily cloves water. Relief from bloating and indigestion. No more sluggish gut or uncomfortable fullness. Steady energy. Say goodbye to afternoon crashes and caffeine dependency. Natural sugar control. Helps reduce cravings and supports blood sugar balance. Fresher breath and improved body odor. A sign of detoxification at work. Clearer skin, reduced breakouts, and a healthy natural glow. Improved focus and mental sharpness. Brain fog starts to lift. Less joint pain or stiffness, especially in the morning hours. Gentle fat burn and metabolism support, especially around the belly area. And here's the best part. This costs almost nothing. Cloves are affordable and found in almost every household kitchen. There's no fancy prep, no special tools, no meal planning, just water and cloves. You boil or soak them and sip the drink warm. Done. This is why that thumbnail is so powerful, because it tells a real story. A story that could be your story, from tired, bloated, and foggy to refreshed, focused, and glowing, all from just one new habit. The transformation is not just visual. It's physical, emotional, and mental. It's about reclaiming your wellness with the simplest step imaginable. So ask yourself, can you commit to 1 glass of cloves water every morning for just 7 days? No, it's not magic, but it sure feels like it when your body begins to heal itself. All thanks to a humble spice that's been hiding in your kitchen this whole time. Start tomorrow. Start today. Start right now, because 1 glass a day could completely change how you look, feel, and live.